Hello friends, welcome to Twin Sisters Country Cooking channel. Today I want to make honey glazed carrots in the crock pot. This recipe just looks so delicious. I just can't help it. I know there's sugar in it and they're kind of candied, but it still looks so good I have to make them. Okay, so let's get started. Our honey glazed carrots in the crock pot are done. And now we get to try it. It's a heavy bowl. I love cooked carrots. And with the brown sugar, the honey, the cinnamon, that is really good. That is a good dish. It would be a great dish for a side. I like that. Had a very successful dish. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you could, please ring that bell, hit the like button, and subscribe. It really helps our channel out. And I hope you have a very wonderful day.